Hello everyone, welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Instagram to get all our updates instantly and regularly. Yes, so dear freshers, we are pleased to inform you that Vodafone is hiring freshers for the post of engineer trainee, and we are here to give you the details about the same. So this is a brief introduction about Vodafone. Vodafone, as you know, that it doesn't need any special introduction. It is a leading telecom MNC, and yes, recently on their website they have revealed that they are hiring freshers for the post of engineer trainee. The role they are offering is business intelligence advisor. It is a full-time job and the role is permanent. So the skills they are expecting from the candidates are data modeling, data visualization, data analytics and insights, data management and transformation, and lastly, AI, deep learning and machine learning. Yes, so to get more details about this drive, this opening, and to apply for it, please visit the mentioned URL, which is bit.ly/vodatrainee. I repeat, bit.ly/vodatrainee. Please note that this URL is case sensitive, hence ensure that you enter correct URL in the address bar of your browser. And the deadline isn't mentioned as such any, but yes, you should apply ASAP till the link is active on their website. So thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you have been liking our videos and you are finding them helpful and useful for you. So Profound EduTech, we are basically a top IT training and placement company, and we provide various job-oriented training programs in full stack Java, .NET testing, data science, machine learning, Python, etc. Yes, so enroll today for these courses. We start new batches almost every week in both online as well as offline mode. And to get more details about our courses, you may call on these mentioned numbers. This is the snapshot of our full stack Java developer course. As you can see, it covers right from your fundamentals, then backend we cover entire Java track, core Java, web-based Java, to the frameworks, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot. Additionally, we also cover front-end part, which covers HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, XML, Angular 8. We also cover Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB, followed by Python, and also software testing. You will also get to work on a live project. We also provide aptitude and soft skill sessions to prepare you for interviews. So you may visit our website profoundeducation.com, where all the details are available about our courses. This is a similar course of full stack .NET developer, and everything is same except for Java track. We have .NET track. This is a similar course in software testing. So yes, so these are the highlights of our courses. All our trainings, whether online trainings or offline trainings, they are live trainings by senior trainers. And since these are live trainings, a lot of interaction becomes possible between the students and the trainers, which helps the students to get all their doubts, queries, questions solved immediately. We cover multiple technologies and programming languages in the same course, which not only helps you to get skilled on multiple technologies, but it also helps you to explore placement opportunities which are specific to those technologies. Yes, we give a lot of importance to the hands-on knowledge, because ultimately practical knowledge is something which matters the most in the IT companies, right? So we have daily assignments for our students which they perform in the labs, computer labs. In the computer labs also we have our trainers who guide them in the assignments. Whatever the students learn, they implement it on real world projects. So this is how we have hands-on approach. Then the most important thing is daily exclusive campus drives. Yes, for our trained students in Java, .NET testing, Python, data science, etc., we provide almost daily campus drives to the students. Every week we arrange around 8-10 campus drives. Every month we arrange around 25 to 30 campus drives for various technologies. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. Be in touch with us on all the social platforms. You may follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page has more than 51,000 likes, and where we keep posting all our updates regularly. Yes, as I mentioned earlier, please follow us on, rather subscribe to our YouTube channel, and our website is profoundeducation.com, and also follow us on Instagram in order to get all our updates regularly and instantly. So thank you so much guys. Hope to see you soon with one more informative video.